What's going on, you guys? This is Brett Hunley, and welcome to another very special episode of Men Who Cook. Today, we got the limited edition, brand new Napoleon Phantom Prestige 500. That name just sounds good, y'all. Okay, look it. We're gonna make some salmon today, some blackened salmon. We're gonna do everything on this grill. We're gonna show you guys how much you could do on this grill, but we're gonna layer this. So we're gonna put mashed potatoes, we're gonna put asparagus on top, then we're gonna take that blackened salmon, put that on top with some shrimp, some Cajun shrimp, and then drizzle some alfredo sauce on it. Y'all stay tuned because it's gonna be a good one. Let's go. All right, party people, check this out. The star of this dish is really the blackened salmon and shrimp, y'all. But for the base of it, the mashed potatoes and the asparagus, just throw your asparagus in the oven with some oil, salt, and pepper. And then for the potatoes, cut them up, boil them until tender, and then mash them up with a little bit of butter, milk, and whatever seasonings y'all want, and y'all are good. All right, now for the star of the dish, y'all, the blackened salmon and the shrimp. First things first, take your salmon and cut that skin off. You want to make sure you get a good season on both sides of the salmon. And for the seasonings, you're going to use black pepper, salt, and a good heaping of Old Bay, y'all. Do not forget about my Old Bay. But once you got both sides of your salmon and your shrimp seasoned, you're ready to go. It is hot in Arizona, y'all, but if y'all outside and it's a nice day, you're more than welcome to do all this on your Napoleon grill right outside with the cast iron skillet. Just turn your burners up to high. Really, we want a really high heat on this, and put about a tablespoon of butter in your cast iron skillet, and you're gonna cook your salmon for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. It's gonna get nice and black on each side, and then your shrimp is gonna cook for about 30 seconds, y'all.
-1.
Yep. Go ahead. There's levels to this dish, y'all. Now we're about to start stacking this whole plate together, and then we're about to eat. But take your mashed potatoes, put those things down first, then put a layer of asparagus on top, and then take your blackened salmon and your blackened shrimp and lay those over that, and then we're making this alfredo sauce to pour right over the top. I am a huge fan of homemade alfredo sauce just because of how simple and quick it is to make, y'all. So check this out. Take about a 1/4 cup of butter and simmer that with about a cup of heavy whipping cream. And once that's done, take about a cup of Parmesan cheese and melt that down with a little bit of spices, y'all. I used a little bit of KO, some black pepper, and some salt. But then once that's done and melted, this is what you do, man. This is my favorite part of the video. Just pour that over just like so. Damn, that looks good. All right, you guys, well, we just plated the food. You guys just saw and witnessed how easy and simple all this was to make. And it was so quick. You can do this outside with your friends, your family, barbecuing. You can be out there the whole time making all this on the grill. It's super simple. Look at it. I'm tired of talking. It's my favorite time to eat. Check this out. You guys see the shrimp, the blackened shrimp, the salmon. Oh, let me scoop this up for y'all. Oh, yes. You guys, I am a little biased, but this is probably one of my favorite things I've made just from the alfredo. Just everything like stacked together on it, from the alfredo to the shrimp to the salmon, asparagus right in the middle with the mashed potatoes on the bottom. Everything in one bite is super, it's amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. And thank you so much, Napoleon, for sponsoring the video. Your grill is amazing. The Phantom Prestige 500. It sounds so nice, you gotta say it twice. Phantom Prestige 500. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe. Check Napoleon out underneath. There'll be a link right here, TV Magic. And you guys will just continue watching me eat. See you guys.